Rudbeckia hirta is a good daisy-like flower from the aster family, and it has a nice flat surface for butterflies to land on and get nectar from. So it's very good for the butterfly garden. It's hardy in zones 3 through 7. It does get up to 3 feet tall. That's mostly with the blooms, and about a foot, 18 inches wide. So we're going to plant it here in our butterfly garden. It's got a nice root system, a little bit of circling roots that we'll just get out of the way. We're not going to bury the crown of the plant. We're just going to plant up to the surface. And now it'll bloom and the butterflies will enjoy it all summer.